What's up, guys? Scott here from Chernobyl Studios, and I am coming at you from what's going to be the new room that I work in. You can see that I'm starting to get things settled down and getting a bit of a setup here. So this video is going to be an update video, but also serve as a how in the hell do I do this? Because I'm working on a setup that Henning sort of recommended me, and I've never had this before, so this is all completely new and it's all a learning experience for me. So I'm trying to get my head wrapped around all of this. So this video, just an update, and there's a couple very important things that I want to say right away. First and foremost, to everyone who donated or bought my courses a couple months ago when my family and I were leaving Ukraine, thanks a lot because because of that we're able to be in this apartment now here in Germany. We're on our own. We've been on our own for about a month, over a month already. So I'm not with Henning anymore, but he's not far away. But for some reason, we left and he just doesn't message me anymore. I wonder if you, I don't know what that means. No, but he's not far away. And Henning and Leslie are two really amazing people who, really helped us a lot. Just, I'm not talking about financially or materially, although they did, okay, but most of all, just moral support, helping us, where do we need to go to do these documents? Where do we need to go to do this? Where do we need to go to do that? And, being patient with us, as we try to figure out what we need to do. And, I mean, there were bumps along the road and things we had to decide and stuff like that, but it's all personal, kind of boring stuff. So Henning and Leslie are two really amazing people. I know they don't want you to think that, and just for purposes of this video, we will keep the narrative going that Henning is an absolute asshole, um, but in quotation marks. Really great guy, also extremely intelligent and knows a lot about a lot of things. Hence all the video setup is really. I'm like, Henning, what do I need? And he's like, here you go, and just sending me links and here, grab this, grab that. So without all of you who bought my courses, earlier in the year and sent donations, I wouldn't be able to do any of this. And the whole point now is what I really want to do is I want to step up the video quality and then the content quality, in terms of how I do YouTube and any other future, training courses that I might do or anything like that. Now I have an ability to make them look great, as well as sound great. Now, you may notice that the room is definitely not treated, so I'm trying in post. I don't know what this will sound like, but in post, I'll have done as much as I can to kind of keep that under wraps. But it is what it is right now, and I am working on it. But again, just um, have to be careful, have to, look wisely at what I can do right now and how I can keep moving forward, and just, continue to invest in this now that I have the equipment that I have. So honest, heartfelt thank you, to all of you that were able to support me. It's this is what it looks like. I didn't go to the strip club. I didn't go to the casino. There's three people that I'm taking care of, and we had to find a place to live and completely refurnish it from absolute zero. And so without your guys' help, that just wouldn't have been possible. So it's very appreciative. Henning and Leslie, of course, for basically letting us live at his mom's house for I think almost it was almost 2 months or something like that. Maybe even I don't remember. That this whole time period is kind of just really fast for me. I already don't remember certain details. Now about the video stuff, in particular, I really need to give a shout out to my dad, because he's really the one that financed it all. I have these really nice cameras now and all the gear, the switches and all the monitors and all the cables and everything that I needed to get started doing this. And my dad helped me out like that. And my dad is a very interesting person. He's had his own business for I think it's 30 years now, and he's just a put your nose down, get the work done, shut up, stop complaining type of a person. And when I was a teenager, I really hated that. But as I've grown older, I've really come to appreciate, that mindset of it sucks. It's probably going to continue sucking, but you have to do it. So just get it done and get it done to the best of your ability so that it's done. And so that's something that I've really come to admire and respect about my dad, because um, he's at the top of his field in what he does. He is not short of work. Let me put it that way. He's very sought after for what he does, and he's very good at what he does. And I'm proud of him for being able to start his business and keep it going and be profitable with it, and be successful in that. And so a really big thank you has to go to my dad for helping me get probably the most costly elements of this new upgrade, not just for YouTube videos, but for just video production in general. So I'm really don't know what else to say, but thank you. And Dad, I hope I can make some cool videos that you enjoy watching. I'm sure you'll let me know in a text message or something if it sucks or if it looks good. So I'll be waiting for that. So moving on from there, what the hell is going on with the channel, right? I made some videos when I was at Henning's mom's house just using the built-in camera here in the monitor, but I have a lot of things to do. And if you kind of look around, you might already be seeing some things in the background. I've left some hints of some things that I'm gonna do, and I have to get to work pretty damn quick. I need another light, like right here, I think, and I need to, because there's a little bit of shadow here. So I'm still new to this stuff, so I probably have to get one more to set up here for when you do these videos. And then I got guitars to look at, amps to look at, plugins to look at, drum libraries to look at, a lot of stuff to look at, a lot of stuff to do. Plus, I really want to update a lot of my older videos. I've been getting a lot of questions lately about bass libraries, old drum libraries. So I really want to go back and update, like my lists of recommended plugins and stuff like that. So definitely look out for that on the channel. But now that I have the basic necessities to get going to do what I need to do, I can begin. Now, please forgive if the audio voice is a little bit meh in the video. I'm still working on it. I'm working on it. Please just be a little bit patient with me. I will absolutely get it sorted. So please, just a little bit of patience, and yeah. So I hope this is recorded. If it has, obviously you've seen it on YouTube, and I've uploaded it. So this is the first ever recording with this camera, and it's an update video for my channel. And yeah, so there it is. So a big thank you to all of you. It's pretty amazing to me where I have 20,000 subscribers, but a lot of really good people. So um, that's awesome. I appreciate it. Anyway, next video is coming out soon, and I promise you, you're gonna like it. All right. See you guys in the next video.